Hi everybody, I'm Fulcam. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust all your monitor menu settings. So at first, click the button which is in the back of your monitor, double click it and scroll down to menu. Here the first option is language. We can change language by clicking on it and setting our own language. I don't really know these languages, so I won't show you, but you know how it works. Here we have menu position. Below language, we can move this menu where do we want, exactly from horizontal to vertical one. And apart from that, here we have menu transparency. Here, as you can see, moving up and down our buttons, we can manage menu transparency. Apart from that, we have menu timeout. We can increase or decrease menu timeout, which is just only not showing our menu after some period of time. The default value is 30 seconds. You can increase or decrease this value going up and down. Here we have menu rotation, landscape 0, portrait 90, landscape flipped, and here we have portrait flipped. We can go back to landscape 0. Apart from that, we have OSD messages. The OSD messages is power on logo, no input signal warning, power mode change, USB 7 Microsoft OS messages, confirm, change message. Here we can disable it or enable it back using just a single click on each option. Apart from that, here we have monitor status and we can change it to the bottom, middle, top or off. Here below OSD messages we have assign joypad buttons. The joypad is only this button which you can see here and is at the back of your monitor. You can change left button, right button, up button and down button. Apart from that, you can see assign bottom function buttons, so let's click it, and here you can see brightness adjust, brightness quick adjust, toggle full range. And that's all the settings from the menu section. You can reset menu settings going down, as you can see. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.